Hi, my name is Jonathan Fernando, and before joining this course, I used to work at ICICI Bank as a phone banking and sales and marketing officer. I was looking forward and keen to gain the full benefits of the recruitment process as well as the internships and other benefits which were eligible with the post. Digital Vidya's program is not only offers live projects, assignments, opportunities, and networking, but also the chance to apply your knowledge in real world scenarios. Trainers that Digital Vidya currently offers is truly enticing and is worth every penny.